In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the Modi-led fascist Indian government is using its notorious National Investigation Agency to arrest innocent Kashmiris on fact charges and punish them through its docile courts to create an atmosphere of fear and terror. A court of the Indian Terrorist Agency, in a fresh move, framed charges against 7 Kashmiri youth in so-called front transfer case in Jammu. The youth against whom the concocted charges were framed by NIA Judge Suneet Gupta were identified as Kifayat Rashid, Azad Ahmed, Ashfaq Majid, Altaf Ahmed Dar, Abid Hussain, Mubarak Ahmed and Zubair Farooq. The family members and relatives of the detained youth refuted the NIA charges and said that they were innocent. In Srinagar today, Indian agency's personnel hurled a hand grenade at a crowded market, killing 1 civilian and injuring 21 others. The tragedy took place at a busy Amira Gadil Bazaar. Police said one of its officers were also injured in the incident. The incident caused chaos in the area. The Indian Army cordoned off the area and launched a search operation to give the impression of Mujahideen's involvement in the incident. Meanwhile, posters have again appeared in Srinagar and other areas of the territory, urging people to be aware of the conspiracies of Hindutva forces and their local collaborators. The posters were displayed on walls in Srinagar and other parts of the occupied territory. Indian police re-arrested journalist Fahad Shah in a third bogus case after a local court granted him bail in the second such case registered against him in Shopian district. Fahad Shah, who is editor of the web portal Kashmir Wala, was arrested by Indian police on February 4th on the charges of posting stories containing narratives of the families of fake encounter victims on social media. The Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Youth Congress staged a protest demonstration in Jammu against the Delimitation Commission, saying that people of Kashmir were not happy with its draft report. Led by party president Uday Chib, hundreds of youth congress activists assembled near Press Club Jammu and raised slogans against the commission, which they said is working at the behest of the BJP government in India. Meanwhile, a group of Pakistani women married to Kashmiri husbands have called upon India to provide them with travel documents to return to Pakistan. They said that they were unable to visit their parents back in Pakistan due to travel restrictions. The women maintained that by denying them the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir citizenship, the Indian government is spoiling the future of their children. In India, as many as 5 border security force men were killed after one of their colleagues fired bullets at the BSF mess in Amritsar's Khasa village today. 1 soldier sustained critical injuries in the firing. A court of inquiry has been ordered to ascertain the facts.